Good evening. After the new update of Chrome on Windows 10, the incognito window mode that we normally easily accessed by right-clicking, the incognito mode for opening Chrome unfortunately disappeared. So I did some research and found a formula online. But because I wanted to share this with you, I'm making this video now. We open a file explorer starting with AppData to the address named closure. After switching to closure, I have a file name that starts with 5D and ends with C3. Here it is. We will make a copy of it within the same folder. We copy the file name. We will change the name given as D249. However, we will not change the extension. So we will only change the name. CustomDestinations-MS. After copying this, we need to move on to another folder. Inside the AppData folder, there's another folder ending with AutomaticDestinations. Let's paste it into the address bar. Find the same file name in the same folder. We will also make a copy of it. Right-click on the one that ends with C3. Right-click and copy it onto the same code. We will also change its name. What will we change it to? Just like in step 4, we will give it the same file name. I copied the file name with Control C. I pasted it with Control V. We completed the operations within these two folders. We took a copy of the files that start with 5D and end with C3 in two different folders. We changed the names of the copied files to start with D249 and end with 688. Now, let's right-click. As you can see, the option for new eComputer Windows has appeared again. I hope I have been able to help. I will paste the complete text of these steps in the description section of the video. I will also include the link to where I found it so that anyone interested can check it out. Good evening again.